Discover this stunning 2017 David Weekly LaurelLeaf floor plan home at 6425 Salt Creek, nestled in the sought-after Waterset community of Apollo Beach, Florida. This rare gem offers a unique and flexible layout that stands out in the neighborhood. Spanning 2,647 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home, plus a den/office, is the epitome of comfort and luxury. Dive into the heated saltwater pool, recently upgraded with a new heat pump and salt cell, or cook up a storm in the outdoor kitchen. The pool area, your private oasis, is complete with gorgeous landscaping for ultimate privacy, an extended covered area perfect for lounging and entertaining, lighted lanai area with electronic roll-down shades, privacy curtains, and a hot tub. The front of the home features custom trim lights for year-round seamless celebration, no matter the holiday. Inside, be welcomed by a spacious formal office and 2 additional flexible spaces, ideal for workstations, a coffee bar, or a wine bar. The possibilities are endless. The master suite is a true retreat, with an enormous walk-in shower and custom-designed, lighted walk-in closet systems that invite relaxation. One of the most spectacular features is the additional outdoor private tiled courtyard, accessible from both the dining area and the guest ensuite, creating a beautiful escape and offering a serene retreat without ever leaving home. The home's thoughtful design includes a screened lanai, an electric fireplace in the main living area with custom coffered ceilings, and an expansive master bedroom that also boasts custom coffered ceilings. The kitchen and formal dining area offer a great room concept, making the space feel open and connected. Enjoy a coffee nook in the kitchen and a wine bar in the dining area, all flowing seamlessly together. Luxury vinyl and tile flooring run throughout the home, complemented by crown molding and several feature walls that add character and elegance. The dream kitchen features tall cabinetry and a large island, with plenty of storage thoughtfully placed throughout. Each bedroom comes with an ensuite bath, ensuring your guests have a cozy and amazing experience. Don't miss the chance to make this exceptional home yours. With its updates, luxury features, and unbeatable layout, 6425 Salt Creek is a rare find in Apollo Beach. Living in Waterset, you're part of a community that values connection, convenience, and enjoyment. Waterset offers a plethora of amenities, including walking trails, fitness centers, community pools, fitness trails, parks, a dog park, and outdoor rec fields, all designed to enhance your lifestyle. The community hosts events and activities, fostering a strong sense of belonging among residents. Its prime location in Apollo Beach means you're never far from shopping, dining, and entertaining.